So how do you show photos on the Apple Watch? Let me show you how it works. Let's get started. If this is your first time on this channel, consider subscribing because I have plenty of tutorials which I believe are going to be helpful to you. Anyways, to show photos on the Apple Watch, go to your iPhone and open up the Watch application. In there, you'll be able to find the Photos app right here. So you can tap on Photos, and there is the photo syncing. So you can see that it can automatically add photos to your Apple Watch from your iPhone. So that might be something that you might want to turn on, right? But then below, you get to specifically decide the photo limit and the sync album, right? So you can see on your iPhone, you have like different photos in the different albums and whatnot, and you're not going to move all of them and show all of them on the Apple Watch, only the specific ones you have decided to go with. And it would be ideal if you just went to your Apple Watch, the iPhone Photos app, and then just go to the albums and start a specific album, which is going to be titled the Apple Watch, right? So you're going to put all of the photos you want in here, and those are going to be the ones showing up on the watch, right? So you do it like this, then go back to the Watch app and literally choose the album to be the Apple Watch right here, right? So this album is going to be synced with your Apple Watch, and you're going to see all of the photos which are part of that album. I think this is the best way to do this. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device specifically. Thanks a lot for watching. In case of any questions, you can utilize the comment section below as well. But thanks a lot, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos as well.